Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss questions on direction sense test, right friends, which is most important for UPSC paper 2, that is CSAT, and you can call me on this following number, that is 9640123412, to get the personal guidance, right? And you can follow me on my Facebook page. You can subscribe my blogs for getting an interesting articles related to personality development and other UPSC related articles. You can join our Telegram channel to get various kind of PDF, right? So this is the direction sense test module. Next, it is important for UPSC paper CSAT as well as various other competitive examinations as well, right friends? So first we will go for the first question, and the introductory class of the direction sense test has been done in the previous video. Please watch it and then come to this video, right friends? So let us start. Sorry. One morning after sunrise, Sita and Geeta were standing in a chalk in Mumbai with their back towards each other. Sita's shadow fell exactly towards right hand side. Which direction was Geeta facing? Right. So let me draw how to solve this. First of all, we will draw like this: x-axis, y-axis, that is north south cardinals, north south east and west, right? So here the question is saying, one morning after the sunrise, Sita and Geeta were standing in a chalk in Mumbai with their back towards each, right friends? With their back towards each, that means one is facing north side, the other is facing to the south side. Why only north and south? Because the sun is rising at the east, the sun is rising in the east, and the shadow will fall ultimately. When it is asking, Sita's shadow fell exactly towards the right hand side. When Sita is facing towards south, then her right side would be west, right friends, and it should be right hand side. So in this direction we should solve this kind of problems, right? Next, what is asking in the question, which direction was Geeta is facing? This is Sita, that means this is Geeta. Geeta is facing towards the north, so C will be the right answer, right friends? So I hope you understood. Let me take you to the explanation, diagram explanation, right? So I hope you understood. You can go for the explanation diagram. Next we move further the second question. In second question it is saying that a girl was going towards nine sorry a girl I'm absolutely sorry. A girl was going towards west, then she turned left, then turned 90 degrees in clockwise direction. In which direction was she going now? So first of all we will draw x-axis, y-axis, that is north and southern cardinal points, north, east, west, south, right friends? See, a girl was going towards west, she was going towards west, then she turned left, so from left, right hand left, and then turn 90 degrees in clockwise direction. Now she is facing this side, so from here clockwise direction means, and it is also asking about 90 degrees, so it will come at this side, right friends? This is 90 degrees, 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. In which direction was she going right now? So it is west direction, so our answer would be B friends, right? So you can see this, so you can see here we have drawn the 90 degrees, right? So next we see the third question friends. So Amit walks 2 kilometers Friends, if you know this concept, you can pause the video and do try to attempt this question, and after doing it you can cross check your answers, right friends? If someone goes wrong, let me know in the comment sections. I'll explain you the entire thing, right? So now let us see about the third question. So first of all, we will draw here the cardinal points, the same thing, and the cardinal points will be the same for the entire direction sense test, friends, right? So here Amit walks 2 kilometers northwards and take left turn northwards 2 kilometers, and then takes left turn, walks 5 kilometers. Here he walks 5 kilometers and then turns right and walks 3 kilometers, then turns right and walks 3 kilometers, and again turns right and walk 5 kilometers, and turns and walk 5 kilometers. In which direction he is now from the starting point? Right friends, he started here, he started towards the north direction, and again he came to the same position, that is the north line, right? So here B will be the answer, that is in the north direction, right? So you can go through this. Next we see further. Fourth question is, Sachin starts from his house and walks westward. He then takes a left turn and then a right turn before each turn, and before each turn he walks 3 kilometers. In which direction he walks now? Sachin starts from his house and walks westward. So first of all he is talking about the westward, right, westward. Then he takes left turn, then again right turn. So this is the right turn, right? Before each turn he walks 3 kilometers. So this is 3 kilometers, this is 3 kilometers, this is 3 kilometers. In which direction he is walking now? That is west direction. So it is very much easy, right friends? So C will be the our answer, right? Next we see further fifth one. Friends, if I am going a little bit fast, you may tell me in the comment sections, so by that I can understand, and I'll make it a little bit slow in from the next videos, right? So one morning Ram and Shyam were walking to each other sitting opposite, were talking to each other sitting opposite to each other, right? It was observed that Ram's shadow fell to his right. Then which direction was he facing? So it is exactly what we did with the third question, friends, right? Third question, or I hope, let me check which question it is. Yes friends, so it is first question, not third question. Yes friends, so it is exactly for the first question. So you can do it, pause the video, do try to pause the video and attempt the question. Let me know your answers in the comment section, friends. Now let me tell you the answer for this question. So for example, Ram and Shyam were talking to each other sitting opposite to each other, right? So here they are saying sitting opposite to each other. In first question it is saying, it has been said that they are sitting back to each other. Here talking about sitting opposite to each other. Alright friends, sitting opposite to each other. It was observed that Ram's shadow fell to his right. Now if Ram is this side, then his shadow would be, his right hand side would be this side, friends, right? So here would be the Ram, then only the shadow would be the at right hand side, or else vice versa cannot be possible, right friends? I hope you understood this. So the answer for this question is, which direction was he facing? Ram's shadow, so he is facing towards the south. right? Next we see further the sixth question. This is your explanation part. Now we will move further the sixth one. The sixth question, it is saying Dolly starts from her house towards east, right friends, towards her east, walking a distance of 25 meters, walking a distance of 25 meters. She turned towards left and walked 10 meters, left and walked 10 meters. She then turned right and after moving a distance of 20 meters, then turn right 20 meters, then turn right again and walk 20 meters, 20 meters. She then turned right and walked 7.5 meters, 7.5 meters. Finally she turns to her right. In which direction is she walking now? So it is clearly mentioned north, right friend? The end point is at N, that is north. So answer would be C friends, north, right? So next we see, this is your explanation part for this, the same we have done. Next we see the seventh question is Priya went 50 meter towards east, 50 meter towards east, then turn right and went 50 meters, then turn right and went another 50 meters. Priya again turned right and went 50 meters, again turned right and went 50 meters. Now she took, see friends, so this is her north side and she took 45 meters, so this is the 45 meters, right? This is the 45 meters. Let me draw a little bit bigger. Yes, this is 45 meters, 45 degrees, sorry, not meter, 45 degrees, turns towards right and went straight. In which direction is she now walking? That is, she started from here and went for east side. Now she came to this side, that is at 0, and she walking in the 45 degrees, that is northeast direction, sorry, northwest direction. So C will be the answer. So this is friends. Next we see further eighth question is, eighth question says Julie goes 10 kilometers west, 10 kilometers west, then turns left and goes 16 kilometers, left and goes 16 kilometers, then she turns right and goes 10 kilometers, right and goes 10 kilometers, and then she turns right and goes 16 kilometers, right and goes 16 kilometers. At what distance is she from the starting point? Right friends, so at what distance she is now from the starting point, right? So she started from here and she went 10 kilometers, right friends? So there's 10, 20 kilometers friends. So our answer should be D will be the right answer, right friends? So D is the right answer, that is 20 kilometers, right? So next we move further the ninth question. So students, please pause the video and do try to attempt the all questions because all are important, then only you can see for the explanation part, right? Now we will see ninth question is, after going 60 meters towards north, 60 meters towards north, Tom takes a right turn and goes another 16 meters. Tom takes right and goes another 16 meters, right? He then takes a right turn and goes 48 meters. Here he goes 48 meters. how far is he from the starting point? Right friends, how far is he from the starting point? So now we have to find. So how to find this? So it has little bit a small formula friends, I'll give you. So this is his starting point, right? So this is a north point. So he reached at a point X and took right and walked a distance of 16 meters. Then again after going on 16 meters at junction Y, he took right and he reached at a point called Z, and he ended up the journey here itself, right friends? So now we have to find what is the distance between starting point and the ending point, how far he is from, right? So for this what we have to do, we have a small formula, that is a square plus b square, right? For this we have, so end point, right friends? Here means the distance between xy and the distance between ez is equal friends, right? Because it is 16 meters, right? So now we will find the distance between a square and b square. Now here a square and b square means, let me tell you here, se square, the distance between se square plus ez square, square, right friends? Ez square. So se square means 60 minus 48 friends, right? 60 minus 48, because this overall distance is 60, that is s, the distance between xs is 60 and the distance between yz is 48. So we should subtract the yz in xs, then we will get es, that is 12, right friends? So similarly ez is nothing but 16, right friends? So 12 square is nothing but 144, and 144 plus 16 square is nothing but 256, right? 256. So the addition of this both is 400, right friends? And the answer will be 20, right friends? So answer will be A, right friends? So next we move further, the last question of this video friends. So if you have any doubts, please do in the comment sections, let me know once, then I'll take up your doubts friends, right? Here Varsha walks 20 meters in the west and 20 meters, first of all let us write 20 meters in the west, and then 20 meters left, then 20 meters to her left, 20 meters to her left. Now every time turns to her right, she walks 10, 30, 30 respectively. So first 10, then comes another 30, then comes another 30, right friends, 30 friends. How far is she from her starting point? So now here we have to find from this point, right friends? Yes friends, so our answer is, first she went 20 meters, then again 20 meters. So here overall the distance here she covered is 20 meters. Here we have left with 10, right? And here we have 20 meters and this is 10 meters, so it is 30 meters friends. So the distance of 10 meters she is not covered, so answer is 10 meters, right friends? So answer for this is B. I hope you understood. So that is it for this video, friends. I hope you understood the videos and all the questions. If you have any problem in any question, so let me know in the comment sections. I'll solve that for you, right, friends? So that is it for this. Thank you very much. Have a great day, friends.